Now in this question number 6, it says calculate the work done by the system in an irreversible single step adiabatic expansion of 2 moles of polyatomic gas gamma 4 by 3 from temperature 300 Kelvin and pressure 10 atmosphere to 1 atmosphere. So we know that the nature of gas, it is polyatomic gas, right? If it is a polyatomic gas, so we know that also we know Cp minus Cv is equal to R and gamma is given to us, which is 4 by 3. So from these two equations we can solve, right, and get the value. And of course we also know that for the polyatomic gases Cp is 4R and Cv is equal to 3R, right? Also we can get this by solving these two equations, right? Okay, so we get this. Now the process mentioned over here is irreversible adiabatic. How do we solve it? We say delta Q is 0, so we have delta U is equal to delta W, right? The external pressure over here would be the final pressure. We can see that the initial pressure is 10 atmosphere. It is decreasing down to 1 atmosphere in a single step irreversible process, which means the outside pressure should be equal to 1 atmosphere, right? So the formula over here is NCV delta T will be equal to work done, which is minus P external V final minus V initial. So number of moles, it is given as 2 moles. Cv we know is 3R. Final temperature, let it be T2, so it is T2 minus initial temperature, which is 300, is equal to minus P external. P external is the final pressure, which is 1 atmosphere, into, now V2 we can find from the ideal gas equation, V is equal to nRT upon P. So this is a final minus initial, right? Putting the value on solving, we get the final temperature as 232.5 Kelvin, which means the temperature has decreased. In adiabatic expansion it happens. Why? Because the work is done at the expense of internal energy, right? So what is the work done? Work done will be the change in internal energy, which is NCV delta T. So it is 2, Cv is 3R and delta T is this. On solving we get minus 405R. So correspondingly answer for this question would be C.